Hey guys, in today's video I want to do my eyebrows with you guys and how I groom them, because since we're all under quarantine right now, most of us I'm sure, salons are closed, we can't get our eyebrows threaded or waxed. Not that I already do, but I know many of you guys probably do. I like doing my own eyebrows. I've just had really terrible experiences when I had my eyebrows waxed back in high school. I think it was like right before my prom. And I had extremely thin brows throughout high school, and it took a while for them to grow back in. They're still kind of thin for the most part, but they definitely have grown a lot. And right now I haven't been making videos, and during this time that I haven't been making videos, my eyebrows are starting to get a little bit on the bushy. Well, they're not really bushy, but you can definitely see that I definitely need to, you know, do a little trimming and plucking. So if you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
You guys are gonna need 4 things, and the first one is gonna be a pair of tweezers. I'm gonna be linking down all the tools and products that I use in this video. These here are the TWEEZERMAN scissors. You're gonna need a razor like this one. And I'm gonna be using the Better Brows by Boldface makeup. I'm just gonna be using this woolly side to groom them. And also I'm gonna just do a light filling just so you guys can see how to achieve natural looking brows. So let's get started. The first thing that I do wanna do is I'm going to be brushing my hair, my eyebrow hair up. So brushing it up like this, I can see where I kind of need to groom. I don't need to do too much because I'm pretty on top of trimming my eyebrows. I'm pretty happy with the length right here. But I'm going to start to kind of groom down, because sometimes when I do take eye shots, eye makeup pictures, I can see that the hairs are starting to like get long down here. So I'm going to start to brush this down here. And taking the scissors, I'm going to just cut my eyebrow hairs. Just like that. I still have a couple right here. Alright, so that's how I kind of trim them down. And once I have done that, I have a vanity mirror on my makeup table. My mirror has a magnified side. It's easier just for me to see where the hairs are, because sometimes they're difficult to see, especially when I'm making a video. Whenever I do my boyfriend's eyebrows, he doesn't really let me, but whenever I like tell him like you really need to do them, sometimes he'll be like okay. And after a couple of me plucking his eyebrows, like he starts to freak out. It hurts too much, but I've been doing this for so long that it really doesn't hurt me anymore. I'm so used to it. These are really good tweezers, but I've had them so long now that they're kind of like losing it, you know? They're just kind of pricier, but they're pricey for a reason, you guys. Okay, so right here I have an ingrown hair, which I'm not able to get. You guys will see it there, but it is what it is. I already have done, for the most part, I grabbed every hair underneath the eyebrow. What you guys probably don't see on camera is I have a lot of, like, my hair doesn't grow as thick. You guys seen how thick it was growing right here? My hair right here does not grow very thick. So you guys can't really pick it up on camera, but when I do take eye makeup pictures out in the sun or just in general, like you guys can see like all the little hair right here. And also up here on my forehead. So that's why I have to use this razor here. Now I'm going to just pull my hair back right here. I accidentally like got this part the last time. That's why I have like little hair right here. So just be careful. You want to go very slow because you don't want to shave your whole eyebrow off. And just start to clean up this top part. You'll be surprised how much little hair you have up here. You don't see it, but it's very, very fine. I don't have a lot of hair right now. And what I also like to do, the middle of my eyebrow, the unibrow part, that part grows very thin as well, so it would take me forever because I do have a lot of little hair there. You can't see it, but if you look up close, you can definitely see it. So I'm just doing that in the middle and going down this way to this inner part. Just like that. So that right there is how I do my eyebrows. Now I'm just going to clean this up. I'm going to be using this Better Brows pencil, and I've been using this one lately because I ran out of my Precisely brow pencil from Benefit Cosmetics, and this one works just as good. And they have a lot of more shade ranges, but I did see that Benefit just came out with more shade ranges with Nikita Dragon, I think. So I haven't tried those out. I just received those in the mail today, so I'll be trying those out. Maybe I'll do an eyebrow tutorial using the Precisely Brow Pencil. I've been really liking how the bushy brow looks. I've been doing that ever since I entered the Benefit Brow Surge, but we're not going to get into that today. Maybe I'll do a bushy brow tutorial for you guys. But for now, let's just go ahead and do the natural brow using this pencil here. I just want to make it fuller and fill in where I need it the most, but for the most part, my eyebrows are basically going to... Oh my god, I have a bunch of little fuzzies from the cotton pad. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with my shape, and I'm just gonna emphasize it a little bit. As you guys can see, it's a little bit darker right here because I have more hair right here than out here. So what I'm gonna do is fill in underneath. Just like that. Now I'm gonna start to fill in this top area very lightly. I'm going very light-handed with this pencil. I really apologize. I have bought 3 camera lenses, and lenses are really expensive. If I'm not in focus, I apologize, but I hope you guys are kind of following along with what I'm doing. It's not focusing on me. Sometimes it just focuses on this back eye. It's so... Anyway. So in this area, I'm going to just start to very lightly, once again, fill this in. Just kind of like flicking it up. So just taking a step back, I'm looking at the shape, and right here it still looks a little lighter, so I'm going to try to fill in that area. Keeping my hand very light-handed. Okay, I'm happy with how it's looking, just like that. I'm going to be using the Highbrow Glow. This one is from Benefit Cosmetics. There is the Highbrow, the basic one that's like a matte shade, but I like using that when I have very bold eyebrows. For this case, I want to keep the natural look, and this just adds a little bit of glow underneath the eyebrow. This is also really creamy, and what I'm going to do is just go right underneath the eyebrow. I still want to clean it up, and I'm just taking a little flat brush like this. I don't want it to look too shiny, so I'm going to start to blend this into my skin with my finger. Okay, and there you have it. This is how I do my natural brow look and how I groom my eyebrows. I still need to do this eyebrow, obviously, but I kind of want to show you guys the comparison of what it looked like before and what it looks like after. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and let me know what you guys usually do for your eyebrows. Do you go get them waxed? Do you get them threaded, or do you do them yourself? Right now, girl, you got to do them yourself because nobody's doing eyebrows right now. It still kind of looks a little dark right here. You can definitely fill it in more. I probably should. And by the way, I'm using the number B11, and this is, oh, it doesn't describe the color. It does online. I'll link it down below for you guys. Okay, that looks better. Ooh, this part right here kind of needs a little, okay, that looks better. Natural brows. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope to see you in the next one. If you have not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe down below. We are almost at 6,000 subscribers here on YouTube. My goal is to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, which I think is coming upon me faster than I think, because everybody's on quarantine, everybody's watching videos, you got nothing else to do. Please turn on the post notifications if you haven't already so you get notified every time I do have a new video here on my YouTube channel. And hopefully I see you guys in my next video. Bye!